Hello friends, today we will study how to make your taskbar smaller, medium or larger. So we have a registry hack for this. So let's get to the registry and get to this location. I'll share it in the description. And in here we add this value. So now we add the value and name it as double click it to open it. 0 is for smaller, 1 is for medium and 2 is for larger. So let's make it 2. Okay, for this to work we have to restart the system. Let me check it works. So as we can see, it has been increased from the smaller to the larger. So I hope you have learned how to make it smaller, larger or medium from the registry hack. I'll share both the registry keys in the description. Thank you for watching.